Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to view OneDrive shared folders in Windows Explorer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will launch the File Explorer window where you can access all your files and folders stored on your computer. Once your File Explorer window has opened, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find your Quick Access section along with all your different folders and drives. Look for the OneDrive option in this menu and click on it. This is the gateway to accessing all your OneDrive content directly from within Windows Explorer, making it easy to manage your cloud files alongside your local ones. After clicking on OneDrive, you'll be able to see all the shared folders that are available to you right within Windows Explorer or File Explorer. This integration is incredibly useful because it means you don't need to constantly open your web browser to access OneDrive files. Everything is right there in your familiar File Explorer interface. Now here's an important detail to pay attention to. Look at the status icons next to each folder and file. These icons tell you the current state of your OneDrive items and help you understand what's stored locally versus what's only in the cloud. You'll notice different colored icons that provide this information at a glance. If you see a blue cloud icon next to a folder or file, this means the file is online only. In other words, the file exists in your OneDrive cloud storage but hasn't been downloaded to your computer yet. Don't worry though, OneDrive will automatically download this file for you when you try to open it, so you'll still have access whenever you need it. On the other hand, if you see a green checkmark icon, this indicates that the file has been downloaded and is fully synced within your OneDrive. These files are accessible both locally on your computer and online in your cloud storage, giving you the flexibility to access them even when you're offline. And there you have it. You've now learned how to easily view and identify your OneDrive shared folders directly within Windows Explorer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.